Ay, nagutom yata ako sa kakalaro. Friends, pahinga muna tayo.
Oo, sige. Nagugutom na nga ako eh.
So, what are we waiting for? Let's have a picnic right here! Right now!
Yummy! Tamang-tama. Marami pa akong ice cream sa bahay. Wait for me. I'll just go get it.
And I'll get the burgers!
Ako na ang in charge sa spaghetti. I'll help you get it, Hetty.
I'll bring the fries.
Yay! na rin kami!
Okay, friends. I'll see you here in a few minutes.
sama ako sa'yo.
Let's go! Hi, Kat Kat! Hi, Nika!
Hi, Miggy! Sige, Kat-Kat. Aalis na kami ni Daddy. Kukunin ko na yung binibigay na uncle ko ng cat para may pet ako. Wow, talaga? Habang hinihintay kita, maglalaro muna kami ng mga dolls ko. Okay, pero di ba sabi mo kahapon, hindi mo napaliguan yung alaga mo si Barkley? Hindi mo ba siya papaliguan ngayon? Ha? Nakakatamad eh. Bukas ko na lang siya papaliguan. Pwede ba yun? And didn't your mom tell you to clean Barkley's house last week? Hayaan mo na yon. Hindi pa naman masyadong madumi eh.
Nika, come on, let's go.
Oh, we have to go. See you later, Kat-Kat. See you later, Nika. Hi, Mommy!
Oh, Kat-Kat, you're home early ah.
Aalis kasi si Nanika. Chocolate chip cookies, my favorite.
That's right. Oh, gusto mo na kumain? Marami nang ready.
Mamaya na lang po, Mami. Busog pa po kasi ako. Nagmerienda na po kina Nika.
I see. Oh, how about Barkley? Did you feed him before you left? See? You hang around Nika's house so much and play with your dolls that you forget to feed Barkley.
Ano po kasi, Mami?
Alam ko rin na hindi mo pa siya pinaliguan ulit. At di ba sabi ko, linisin mo yung house niya?
Tinatamad po kasi ako, Mami.
You know what? Barkley is your responsibility. Remember the day you begged me to buy you a dog?
Doggy! Doggy, doggy! Doggy! Doggy, doggy!
Are you sure you're ready to have a pet?
Yes, Mommy! I really want to have this doggy.
Kat, there's a big difference between being ready to have a pet and just wanting to have one. Kailangan ready ka to be responsible, ready ka to take care of your pet. And you should always be there to feed, bathe, play, and comfort your dog.
Yes, Mr. Santos. I'll do anything for my dog. Please, Mommy. Please buy me this dog. Please.
All right.
Yay! Ang cute naman ng bark mo. From now on, I call you Barkley. Barkley! Barkley!
Di ba sobrang excited ka pa nun? But now hindi mo na siya pinapansin. You hardly play with him.
Kasi po,
Just because you play with Nika and your dolls means you neglect Barkley already. Okay, now feed your dog, give him a bath, and then clean his house. Okay?
okay.
Okay.
Barkley, it's time for your meal. Barkley. 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 Barkley.
May hinahanap ka?
Wala po, Mami.
Are you sure?
Meron pala. Tama yung soup ni Barkley. Kasi papaliguan ko na siya. Nasaan na kaya si Barkley?
Hi, Kat Kat! Gusto mong sumama sa amin?
Magpipiknik kami ni na Hetty, Popo, Yam at Whirly. Sama sina Winnie at Susie. Join ka!
Gusto mo ipaalam kita sa mami mo? Hey, are you crying? What's wrong, Kat?
Jollibee, nawawala kasi ang alaga kong si Barkley.
Your dog? Are you sure? He might just be hiding.
Baka gusto maglaro ng taguan. Hindi, Migs. Hinanap ko na siya. Wala talaga.
Don't worry, Kat. Siguradong mahahanap din natin siya.
Paano kung hindi? Kasalanan ko ito eh.
Shh! Don't blame yourself. Let's go! Don't worry about it. Tutulungan ka namin mahanap si Barkley.
Talaga?
Oo naman!
Halika, sama ka sa amin. Si Barkley yung alaga mong aso? Oo, nawawala siya. Pinabayaan ko na kasi siya. Hindi ko na masyado siya naaasikaso. I'm always at Nika's house or I'm always playing with my dolls.
Huwag kang mag-alala. Hahanapin natin siya sa buong Jollytown.
Baka ayaw na niya sa akin. Hindi ko na kasi siya naaalagaan. Kanina nga, hindi ko napakain si Barkley.
You know, Kat, pets have feelings too.
They know if they're being neglected by you.
They know if you no longer have time for them.
They can feel happiness and sadness too.
Kapag may alaga, dapat ikaw ay matyaga. Masaya silang kalaro, ngunit mag-alaga ay bibiro.
Aso man o pusa, pagong ibon o isda, buhay nila'y mahalaga rin, kaya dapat sila'y mahalin.
Alagaan ang alaga,
Pagkat sila'y tulad natin,
kailangan ng pag-ibig.
sila'y may damdamin din. Huwag mong sasaktan, huwag mong gugutumin. Bigyan ng tirahan, sa pagmamahal mo ay busugin. Alagaan ang alaga, pagkat sila'y tulad natin. Kailangan ng pag-ibig, sila'y may damdamin. Alagaan ang alaga, pagkat sila'y tulad natin. Kailangan ng pag-ibig, sila'y may damdamin. Sila'y alagaan natin, sila'y may damdamin din.
Kailangan ng pag-ibig, sila'y may damdamin.
Kat, di ba promise ko sa'yo kanina, tutulungan ka naming hanapin si Barkley? Halika, i-wish mo sa wishing well na makita na natin siya.
Wishing well, help me please, help me now. Let me find my dog Barkley.
Wow!
Si Mommy!
Dogs? Lots of dogs! Feathers? Bird seats? An old lady?
Ito ang mga clues para mahanap natin si Barkley.
Pero, bakit nandun ang image ni Mommy?
Kat, alam na ba ng mami mo na nawawala si Barkley?
Hindi pa, Jollibee.
Bakang ibig sabihin nun ay dapat kausapin mo munang mami mo.
That's right.
Hi po!
Hi!
Hi! Would you like some cookies?
Thank you po.
Oh, kuha lang kayo dyan. Huwag kayo mahihiya.
La la la.
Sige na, Kat. Sabihin mo na.
Mommy, I have something to tell you. Kasi po si Bartley,
Why? What happened to Barkley?
nawawala po kasi si Bartley, Mommy.
Nawawala si Barkley?
I'm sorry, Mommy.
Don't be too hard on yourself, Kat. Alam ko namang hindi mo gustong mawala si Barkley eh. Pero di ba, sabi ko nga sa'yo, your pet is your responsibility. Like us, pets have feelings and needs too. They need to be loved.
I love Bartley, Mommy.
I know you love Barkley, pero lately you haven't been taking care of him. Maybe that's why he ran away.
I won't stop until I find him again, Mommy.
Or you guys might want to check out the pet store.
Yes po.
Sometimes they bring lost pets there.
Okay.
Thank you, Mommy.
That's right. The second clue showed animals.
That's right.
Hi, Jollibee! Hi, Kat! Hi,
Hi,
everyone!
Mr. Santos.
Hi, Kat! Kumusta si Barkley? I hope you're taking care of him well. Naalala mo yung bilin ko sa'yo? Di ba sabi ko sa'yo, aso man o pusa, pag yung alaga, dapat ikaw ay matyaga. Tulad ng matanda o bata, dapat maging masaya. O Kat, bakit ka malungkot?
Mr. Santos, may aaminin po kasi ako. Nawawala po kasi si Bartley.
Ha?
Huwag mag-alala. Makikita rin natin siya. That's right. Huwag mawawala ng pag-asa.
Huwag nang malungkot. Tutulungan kita.
Tulong-tulong tayo hanggang siya'y makita.
Good thing may friends kang positive ang attitude. Kailangan mo ng mga ganyang kaibigan, Kat.
Tama po kayo, Mr. Santos. Friends, isolve na natin ang next clue.
Let's go!
Jollibee!
Yes?
Subukan nyo siyang hanapin sa park. Maraming makakalaro dun yun. You can ask Mrs. Ibon. She's always there.
That's it! That's the next clue! Thanks, Mr. Santos! Let's go! Yahoo! Wow! Okay na ang first clue.
Okay na rin ang second clue. Now we have to solve the third and the last clue.
You're right.
Ayun na yung park!
That must be the third clue. Tama si Mr. Santos.
Yeah. Hi. Hi, Mrs. Ibon.
Oh, hello, everyone! Oh, Hetty!
Hi.
Have you read some good books lately?
Yes, Mrs. Ibon. I'll tell you about it soon. Mrs. Ibon, kanina ba po ba kayo dito sa park?
Oo. Nalilibang kasi ako dito eh.
Wow! You must really love what you're doing, Mrs. Ibun.
Yes, I do, Popo. And I know these birds love it too. Whenever I come here and feed them.
Mrs. Ibon, may nakita po ba kayong aso na gumagala dito sa park? Wala po kasi ang dog ko.
I think I saw one a while ago.
Right, that's great.
A white one. He was wandering around when I saw him. But maybe he's just nearby.
Where could he be?
Baka nagpapaikot-ikot lang yon.
Yes, let's find him.
Let's go, let's go.
Wait, Kat. Tawagin mo kaya pangalan niya.
Good
Do you
idea.
have a special whistle or call for him?
Tama.
That's right.
Flute ko.
Ano?
Let's go. Hanapin natin siya.
Yeah.
Barkley!
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 Wala rin dito eh. Doon kaya tayo.
Doon na tayo maghanap.
Sige. Woo!
Barkley!
Barkley! Barkley!
Barkley! Barkley!
Barkley!
Saan na kaya yung asong yun?
I'm not sure, Yum. Hi, kids!
Bye! Bye!
Naku, baka nauuhaw na si Bartley. Kawawa naman ang alaga ko. He's my responsibility and I took him for granted.
Don't worry. We'll find Barkley.
Don't worry about it.
We're here for you, Cat Cat.
Yes, Cat Cat.
Okay? Oh, here are friends.
All here for you.
I wonder where he went.
I'm so glad you're all here for me. Siguro, kung hindi ko kayo kasama, magkukulong na lang sa kwarto at iyak ng iyak.
Naku, mamumugto lang ang mata mo pag ginawa mo yun. That's right.
At lalaki lang ilong mo. Oo nga.
Pinapasaya ka lang namin, Cat Cat.
Tama.
That's right.
We have to find Bartley. That's right. Bago dumilim.
Sabi ko na nga ba, dito kayo eh. Pinuntahan ko talaga kayo para tumulong maghanap kay Barkley.
Cool!
Great! Ituloy na natin ang maghanap.
Tara, let's go!
Let's go.
Barkley!
Naririnig niyo yun?
Huh?
I hear barking!
Yeah. That where? Is that him?
Uy,
Bartley!
Over there!
I sure
Oh,
hope so.
good.
You're right!
Let's go!
Yay!
Barkley, really? Yay! We found Barkley!
Hi, Mommy! Did you buy dog food for Bartley?
Siyempre, hindi ko yata makakalimutan yon. Oh, pinaliguan mo na ba si Barkley?
Siyempre po, hindi ko rin po makakalimutan yon. At nilinis ko na rin po yung bahay niya.
Good. Oh, ilalagay ko muna yung mga pinamili ko sa loob, ha?
Kat Kat! Hi, Nika! Hi, Meow Ming! Kat Kat, I need your help. Hindi ko pa kasi nalilinis yung kitty basket ni Meow Ming. Ever since I got her. Lagi si Mami ang naglilinis nun eh. Pwede mo ba akong tulungan? Sige ba, tara.
Hi, guys!
may lakad kayo ah.
Barkley!
We will go to Nika's house, Jollibee. Yes, she will help me clean Meow Ming's kitty basket.
Uy!
Good idea!
Mukhang ikaw na magtuturo kay Nika ngayon kung paano mag-alaga ng pets, ah.
Have you taught Nika our song about taking good care of pets, Kat Kat?
Hindi pa. May song kayo about taking good care of pets?
Meron.
Turuan niyo naman ako.
Sure. Let's do it.
Kapag may alaga, dapat ikaw ay matyaga. Masaya silang kalaro, ngunit mag-alaga ay di biro. Aso man o pusa, pagong ibon o isda, buhay nila'y mahalaga rin, kaya dapat sila'y mahalin. Alagaan ang alaga, pagkat sila'y tulad natin, kailangan ng pag-ibig, sila'y may damdamin. Alagaan ang alaga, pagkat sila'y tulad natin, kailangan ng pag-ibig, sila'y may damdamin.
to jolly